Alright, so this morning we're going to go over how to solder on a vertical and keep all of the runoff that I see on some jobs. So we've got some here that's already kind of pre-prepped. From the last video, I showed you how to do regular soldering and all the normal steps. So we're going to do the same here. Dry fitting. Now, what I see a lot of guys doing stuff like this, where they're just holding it way too long, and then you don't actually go through and wipe it back down. And as you can see, you get these little runoff drops and everything on that side. That's what we don't want. That is a not as good looking, as pretty solder as we should be providing for the client, because we are professionals and we can do a lot better quality than that. So, what I do want to see on vertical, essentially we'll just have to take a little bit more time on a vertical, go a little bit slower, use a more controlled flame, slowly heat your fitting up. If you start seeing your flux and everything starts really running, try to control that, because as we all know, the solder is going to follow the flux. And do more of just a light touches until you start to see the solder really take. And when you see that, let off of your flame. It's still going to be hot enough where it's going to pull it in. Once you get to that, I'm talking about for the video.